how to open the gas cap in your Nissan Altima 6th Gen, which is 2019 to 2025. So on the left side, of your steering wheel, you're gonna notice there is no gas cap release button. You need to go down below. For some people, you'll need to open the door. The gas cap release is right over here, and you're gonna pull completely on it. This will release the door that you can open, and not many people know this, but here is the gas cap holder. So if you twist it, you can let it rest over here this way, so that if it has some fuel on it, the fuel will not drip on the paint of your car and risk damaging it. So put your fuel. Once you're done, take it, turn it, don't forget, make sure it clicks at least twice, push it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.